So as summer's setting in, it's time for barbecue weather. So I'm going to make some homemade burgers. I've got this recipe off the BBC food website. So in my bowl I've got some mincemeat and some breadcrumbs. I'm going to add a beaten egg, a teaspoon of Worcester sauce, some herbs, half a teaspoon of chili powder, some grated cheese and half a chopped onion. And I'll mix it all up. Now if you make too much, you can actually freeze these. If not, you can just put them straight on your barbecue. Or you can grill them, whichever, if you've not got a barbecue. So give them a good mix. Take it out, flatten it into a nice little burger, pop it in the fridge for later, then we can barbecue them up. Ooh. Homemade burgers. So here's my homemade burgers on the barbecue with a bit of sausage. Be enjoying these with my homemade tomato relish. Delicious.